her bands, nigga. Rockin' it, proud of the Gucci mirror. She tryna fuck on the game to get near. Go get some motion and get off your period. You say you get money, what nigga go spend it? Heart got a hope, but the drugs gon' heal it. All the fake love gotta stay on my period. Can't trust no nigga can't get near me. Nigga can't get near me, I be poppin' Percocet, niggas don't understand the.
So what is good, YouTube? It's your boy D-Nair, man, and I'm back at it again with another lit reaction, bro. If y'all ain't watched before, bro, go watch my last couple videos, bro. You'll see why I'm sounding so just down today, bro. I guess I'm just in my feelings today, but I'm not finna do too much talking. We just watched the Aaron the Plumber video. He met Dashae for us. Now they finna box, so finna get straight to that, bro. I don't got time to hear them talking, and I wanna just see the action, bro. Cause this camera might fucking die. It always do. I wanna get straight to the action.
Fight party. Like, no, you got this, bro. Remember what you did in March 2024. Remember how you...
What'd I do in March 2024?
Remember your last fight?
I was in February.
You got this shit.
But we wasn't 190 pounds.
You been in that lab? We was just in the gym on the other day. See, you got some...
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, you're... Just move around.
He looks too happy.
Hey.
He's jumping and he's smiling and
Run the clock out. Just run the clock out.
Okay.
Whatever y'all good.
All right, good luck, man.
Yeah, go interview him. Let me see my phone. Quick.
How you feeling, man?
Oh man, this is another fade, another squabble. It ain't nothing, regular shit.
Nervous at all?
No, hell no. Huh?
Never fought like a smaller guy?
Yeah, but can't underestimate him because of size.
What'd he say?
He said, I'll fuck you up.
Oh.
It's over.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
That nigga breathing hard as fuck.
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Okay.
Hold on.
Jay, huh?
You good?
Yeah. We got 40 seconds.
Is that my Wi-Fi?
Guys, what are we doing?
Oh my God, my lip. I'm done.
I was about to say, yeah, I got a mouth.
Oh my God. Where's my phone?
Come get up, coach.
That boy did all
Come get
that.
up, coach.
They only fought for
I
like
get some
5
tissue or something?
seconds. Niggas literally only fought for 5 seconds.
I think that's my gum. Part of my lip. Oh yeah. Yep, that's my lip. That's my lip. I get some
He getting you boom, boom, boom.
I think my tooth is chipped too. I think my chip.
Can you get up?
My tooth.
What happened to him? Yeah.
What's today?
March
Is he going yet?
This only round 1, bro.
Oh, this is the last round. That's it. That's it.
You done?
Oh my God.
How we get up? I don't know. They gotta get up. Yeah.
Nah,
You good, bro?
Yeah, good.
In a real way, man.
You got like this. Nah, thanks. I get respect.
Yeah, you definitely get
it was the
respect.
entertainment part of it for sure.
Yeah,
Damn.
Alright, so you got like this. You think like this? Yeah, like you think the swelling will go down?
You ain't swelled up yet.
On my lips.
Think about it, man. I can drink my water, okay?
Good. Here.
Oh, God. Here. You can go talk to the chat for a second. I'm gonna go real quick. I'm gonna lay down for a second. Just talk.
Alright. Hi, chat. Alright, post game. Hey, chat. So, when we got in there, you know, I thought he was a little more prepared than what just took place, but couldn't underestimate him. I didn't know if he was in here training or what he was doing, so.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna, at the end of the day, bro, he's still a good person, though. He's still a good dude. Like, you could tell he like humble. He really a good person, bro. They do try to paint you out to be like a badass person for real.
Just came in here, spar. I ain't trying to hit him too hard, but
You enjoy this.
huh?
That's what they say. They say you enjoy this.
I enjoyed it. I mean, we boxing. It's regular, you feel me? But I wasn't putting them on him like I was trying to, Nah, I was throwing them though, but, you know, regular. And had it been somebody I didn't like, it'd have been worse. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully the brother's okay, man. You know? Yeah, so what the chat saying? What they saying, man?
He was holding back. They want round 2. They said Dub, his man that was talking shit, he's cooked.
Dub just said you can't do that to him. He on your ass.
Oh yeah, bring Dub. Bring Dub here.
He said, when you like you see him, he actually wants you to press him.
Yeah, I'm gonna press him too.
He just said that. He just texted me that. He said, well, yeah, I wanted him to say something.
Yeah, tell me where he
He
want.
be by himself too.
What gym he want to meet at? Ask him what gym.
What gym?
You know?
He said, in the gym, in the streets, whatever.
Yeah.
Huh?
Now you can never tell until people actually fight. Though.
Yeah.
The size difference in the gym, you can't really tell.
He said, in the gym, in the streets, it's whatever.
Okay, for sure.
Hey.
I'm gonna hit him soon as I get to LA.
Oh, man. Not quite like that.
Yeah. Absolutely have to. Absolutely.
I know this dude was sparring in the cage. I soaked up and sparring in the cage. I was thinking, oh, I got to do something hit that wall. I don't know where to go. I gotta get introduced to a couple of these guys, man. Boxing like my man.
Oh yeah.
East side boxing.
But I was saying though, come here. Does it look that bad though? Was it that bad?
It was kind of bad.
But I'm saying I did look like I got knocked out though. Nah, not that bad. Nah, because my head started hurting it. That's why I was like, you know what I'm saying? I lost power in my legs. How did I lose power in my legs? I'm standing still.
You wasn't hydrated enough.
Yeah, like my It didn't look like I got knocked up though.
Yeah.
And I got grease in my eye. I just got my hair done literally yesterday. So the grease went down to my eye like that, and it started f***ing me up. It started burning.
Makes sense.
That's what I'm saying. I couldn't see.
You can't fight if you can't.
That's what I'm saying. I got grease in my eye because my hair just got done 2 days ago.
You think he tanked?
That's what I'm saying. Real shit. I can't be doing
Any
this.
other day you good. Like,
Yeah. You can't f*** with that shit. Stop. No. Bad?
no, it's not bad.
Not bad?
Would you charge for trading? 25 session?
You got a trash? You got a trash?
Yeah, my trash in the front. Like, well, I even just throw it in the toilet. It don't matter.
Okay, I bet.
It's up to you, bro. You a crazy man. Get used to it, man. You can take it.
Yeah,
You learn how to distribute your weight. That's all you got to do. Your feet.
yeah.
All I say is distribute your weight. It's gonna feel weird. You're gonna feel like you OD wide, but you gonna be able to lean one.
Yeah. You could get me right to fight. I'm interested, yeah.
You got the right to throw the hook already using too much of your muscle, but you get it to really using your legs to even put the down.
Yeah. Hell yeah. I'm with that. Yeah, I'm finna move out here, so. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
It's fun. The more you do it, it's gonna be like second nature to you.
Yeah. Hell yeah. We're gonna start fighting now, man. Yeah, yeah, for real. We bad, they can't.
Come on, what you talking about? You can't fight yet.
My head hurts. My head hurts.
You had a good second half though. I seen like
I did a good second half. It wasn't like that bad. Let's see.
first 30 seconds.
Because he didn't he kept on coming forward. I'm like, God damn. Like you not, I'm trying to go around. He's closing me in. What is it like? What is it called when you can't go to sleep or something like because your head hurts? You can't go to sleep, but like you can't go to sleep, but like you seeing different. Huh?
You got a concussion? You
Concussion?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I think that's what I got. I think that's what I got.
I'm sorry, you back.
Oh, I appreciate it. Yeah, for sure. I'm definitely trying to get it in.
Hey, on a serious note too, though, if you start getting a slight headache, you right though. Just
I got a headache.
out of nowhere. Okay?
Not slight.
Stay up for a couple hours,
Yeah.
about 4 or 5 hours.
Okay, I bet. Yeah, my is not slight.
You start seeing flashes of light.
Oh yeah, I started seeing that about the second round. Around like 30 seconds in.
It's like pulsing.
Yeah.
Like you got a heartbeat.
Yeah. After the first hit, I think I just started seeing like flash. But I tried not to go towards
I'm
the light.
saying like literally, it look like you can't see nothing in front of you, nothing. It's just light.
I think after like when I was on the ground, I couldn't see nothing. But when I woke up, I think I was straight.
Or if that feeling come back out of nowhere,
All right, bet.
get help.
Bet. Thank you. It wasn't that hard. Like, it wasn't that hard, man. Personally, if you're asking me, it wasn't that hard.
Nah, I wasn't trying to knock you out.
I think. I started bleeding, but
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is an L video, bro. And it's crazy how easy it is to just clickbait, bro. Like that fight was literally 2 seconds. The rest was just yap. But man, I'm just doing it for y'all, bro. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn the post notifications on. If you made it to the end of the video, please comment some, bro. So I just know that y'all are really watching this bitch. Please. Please. But yeah, man. It's your boy D Nair, man. I'm signing out. Peace. I might take it, bitch, and give her back, cause I don't want her, nigga. I got 5.56 Smithy West, I'm fully loaded, nigga. Took